Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set alarm on your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the home screen and go to clock icon. Go to clock icon here and here you can set alarm. These are already available alarm. If you want to use it, just turn on this button and you can customize here. Otherwise, if you would like to set fresh alarm, just use this plus symbol and you can set alarm now. First, set time here. I would like to set 6 and if you click here, you can just type how much minutes. So 6:10. I would like to type 6:10. And in repeat, you can select all days. If you tap on all circle, all 7 days will be selected and all 7 days will have alarm on this particular time. That is 6:10 a.m. If you click here and you can set alarm for particular date only, or you can remove some days here and those days will have only alarm. You can also label alarm. Just click on label and here you can assign any name to your alarm. For example, if you would like to get up earlier in the morning, just you can write a note like this, wake up. So you will know that your alarm is set for wake up. So in this way, you can just give the label name to your alarm related to it. Click on save and then click on alarm ringtone. Here, like setting up a ringtone, you can just select any tone from system ringtones or you can use custom ringtone. Only one custom ringtone is available on my phone and these are only system tone. In vibrate, just you can turn off or turn off. So along with ringing, vibration will occur if you turn on this button and click on set alarm. Alarm is set now. And if you click here, you can customize several functions like snooze duration, silence alarm after, and alarm volume, increasing volume, etc. I would like to show alarm snooze duration. Here you can change the duration. By default it was on 5 minutes. I have increased it to 10 minutes. Click on done. So in this way you can also customize several things here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.